YouTube, what's up? It's Thomas again, and today hopefully it's going to be a shorter video. It's 5 months, my 5 month mark, and I'm going to be doing some maintenance on my hair. As I mentioned previously, I usually do two-strand twist or braiding, and today I'm going to be braiding my hair. I'm just going to show you real quick how to do that. So I'm going to hop in the shower, wash my hair, wet it and all that. I'm going to be using this locking gel because that helps to keep the locks in place and together. And I think that's just about it. I'm going to be using some hair ties, and yeah, so hopefully be real quick. So alright, I'm back. This is out of the shower, so I'm gonna just split my hair. These are like the two sides, and then you grab about this much. Instead, it kind of falls naturally because of the way that I started my dread. So that's kind of, as you can see, there's kind of like a section of it. So it's a straight line. Okay. Basically, braiding isn't that hard to do. It really just takes practice. What you do is, I use like the same system just about every time. So I usually do 2 on the bottom, 1 on top. I'll go around and really just feel around. I try to feel around beforehand so I can place them. See, I'm not taking a lot. I'm not going to dip into this every time. That's one. I'm also retwisting it so that, as I said, do a retwist as well. So that after I take these out, hopefully I can keep these in for about a week. Get myself to keep these in for a week or so. So that after, I'm still in a good position to not touch them. But, so I have these 3. These are the sections. These are the sections. Over the middle, so that left section, that left dread now is in the middle. And now I take the right one, put it in the middle, bring it over and put it in the middle, right? And it's starting. So you just repeat that process: left over, right over, left over, right over. And I try to make it tight, not super tight, but I try to keep it taut, I guess, so that I kind of maximize my length and I'm keeping it straight down. And now that I've reached the end, see, it's not all the same length, so I'll tuck this and I will take the 2 remaining ends and do like a 2-strand twist at the end. Finger twist. So this is one braid, and I'm going to be repeating that throughout my head. Same thing. I'm not taking a lot at all. So you can't even really see it. Twist, twist, twist. I'm going to look for the next one. So this is the next one that I should grab, twist, and repeat. And yeah, so I don't really like the way that this part looks. I usually switch it up here. I do 1, 2, and then I would have done another 3, but you know, it's fine. I'll survive.
Anyway.
One of the reasons why I like braiding my hair is because it takes less time. So this is one section. See it? So I'm just gonna go through the rest of my head. Alright, first half done. So I'm going to record this off camera. I think you guys get the gist of it. Just left over middle, right over middle, left to middle, right to middle.
Alright, so this is the finished product. But yeah, so we're going to try to keep these in at least 3 days. Try to aim for a week, week and a half. My shirt will get caught on my dread, on the braids, and that's what'll make me want to take them out. But yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. Again, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything that you want to know. So yeah, stay locked, and I hope this helped you out.